Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram, 30, the sales manager of a cloth company, found that sales had dropped in the last quarter. He took on the task to find out the reason and visited various shops where the clothes were supplied. During these visits, he frequently encountered women who were complaining to the shop owners about the low quality of the material used in silk clothes, which caused him great concern. After the visit, he went back and discussed the issue with the raw materials purchase team and the TQM. He prepared a report based on his finding and submitted the report to management. After the quality improvement plan was implemented, the company saw a rise in sales and he was happy with his efforts. Qualities demonstrated good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was a college student studying final year engineering. He was from Delhi, and during the winter season, he found that homeless people were suffering without proper clothes to protect them from the cold weather. He organized his friends and collected money from rich people. He contributed money himself as well, and went to the shop for a bulk purchase of blankets. Knowing his intention, the shop owner was convinced by his idea and gave him more blankets for a lower price. Along with his friends, he went out and distributed the blankets, which made him felt happy about his actions. Qualities demonstrated: social concern, an average level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and willing to help others.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.